Hi, in this video I will show you how you can create quotations for your renewals. On the policy stats page, select the policy which you need to create a quotation for. Click on the add quote button. Pop-up will show up. Select the client's name. Then select the product. Then select the company. Enter the sum insured, the premium payable. Additional data can be entered out here. You can attach the quotation document by clicking out here and selecting the quotation file and attaching the same. And once you save the quotation gets saved. Additional quotations can be added by clicking on the add more quotation button. Once all the quotations have been added, you can save and email the quotation to the client by clicking on this button. You can select the members who you wish to send the quotation for and click on the proceed button. Add the file you need to send also and click on send email. This is how you send the quotation for your renewals in InsureBox.